In the dense jungles of Africa, a gorilla family feeds peacefully. But in the shadows, danger lurks, a leopard, silent and patient, eyes locked on a young gorilla. Step by step, the predator closes in, muscles coiled, fangs ready. But suddenly, a roar shatters the silence.
Roar.
The silverback has seen the threat. With earth-shaking power, the gorilla charges. Fists pound the ground, branches snap. The leopard leaps with claws extended, striking like lightning. Teeth slash, fists swing, the jungle explodes with chaos. It's stealth versus strength, predator versus protector. Can the leopard snatch its prize? Or will the silverback's fury drive it back into the shadows? Tell us who you think wins in the comments. Smash that like, share this wild clash, and don't forget, subscribe to PD Wild Truth for more untamed battles of the wild.